Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the February 2024 Bargain Bead Box, and the theme is Budding Romance, and the description reads as follows. Deep burgundy quartz, known as Malaysia Jade, stars in this month's romantic palette. Accents include rose quartz, microfaceted garnet, and colorful crystal. Enamel charms, cubic zirconia drops, and other floral findings complete this collection.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope everybody is doing good. Please share the video, comment, and give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. These are two our creation. We want to know in the comment which one you like most. This is number one, and that will be number two. So you can leave the numbers down there in the comment down below. And this month is a lot of roses and a lot of beautiful colors. And we're going to start with number one.
Number one is a 32 millimeter Malaysia Jade teardrop pendant.
And it's beautiful. Look at the back. And this is the front. It's very nice. And number two is
Number two is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter Malaysia Jade dark red beads.
they're stunning. They're matte finish. They're not shiny at all. And they're like two-tone. They are beautiful. You can make a bracelet with it, and you can actually use this as a pendant, and it's look at how beautiful it is. Oops, sorry. Number three is
Number three is a 14-inch strand of 6x4 millimeter Malaysia Jade faceted rondelle beads.
and this is beautiful. I like the shape of the beads. They're very nice, and this is a 14 inch, so you can do a choker with it, or if you add some little pieces, you can make a regular necklace. And number four is
Number four is a 15-inch strand of 3 by 3.5 millimeter garnet microfaceted round beads.
look how tiny and shiny they are. They're beautiful. You can put them in between the beads and make it longer, or you can just use this as simple as is and make a little beautiful choker. Very nice. Number five is
Number five is a 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter Malaysia Jade faceted round beads.
they're nice. They're very shiny, and the color they look like they're plastic, but they're not. They're very, very, very nice. Number six is
Number six is a 16-inch strand of rose quartz tumble nugget beads.
look how beautiful. I love the shape. They're like different shade, every single one of them. The colors are stunning, and you can use it for a necklace. It's a 16 inches, very nice. Number seven is
Number seven is a 20-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in turquoise green.
we have had this before. This color is beautiful, and the length is very, very nice because you can use it as a simple necklace, and this is a good length. And number eight is
Number eight is a 16-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in lavender.
wow. This is beautiful. It look like gray, but at the same time, it's like a very deep, dull lavender. It's not really light. It's like dull color. Very beautiful. Number nine is
Number nine, two 28 by 10 millimeter enameled rose charms in pink.
so beautiful. Look at this. Very nice. If you make earrings, both of the leaves are gonna be on the same side. But yeah, you can get away with it. But they're beautiful. And number 10 is?
Number 10, two 13 by 4 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass cubic zirconia drops.
Look how tiny. They're very, very tiny. This is the front. This is the back. Very, very beautiful. They are both the same, so you can use them for earrings. Very tiny, simple earrings. Very nice. And number 11 is?
Number 11, a 25 by 20 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree flower chandelier.
Look how nice. It is 3D. I don't know if you can see it, but it is 3D. It have a little flower on top of the flower, have a ball, and then the chandelier thing. Very beautiful. I love it. And number 12 is?
Number 12, two 31 by 18 millimeter enameled branch charms in teal.
How nice. They are gorgeous. They can make very nice earrings or they can be pendants for your bracelets. Very, very nice. And number 13?
Number 13 is a 22 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass floral toggle clasp.
How beautiful. It's a 3D too. It have all the details coming out of the metal. It is so beautiful. Very pretty. Too bad it's just one. And number 14?
Number 14 is a 10-gram bag of 6.5 millimeter scallop bead caps.
And they're heavy. They're very well made. They're very, very good bead cap. They're tiny though. Look the details. Very, very pretty. And number 15 is?
Number 15, 27 by 4 millimeter flower spacer beads.
How cute. Look at that. They're like 3D too. You have some of the leaf coming out. Petals, I'm sorry. Some of the petals coming out. Very, very nice. And they're a little heavy. They're well made. And number 16 is?
Number 16 is 1 meter of 2.5 by 2 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel chain.
And it is very, very pretty. The link is very small. It's super small. Very nice. Very pretty. And the amount is a good amount. It depends on your design and you can use it for a lot. Number 17 is?
Number 17, two 35 by 14 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree chandeliers.
How gorgeous. The details are like amazing. I hope you guys can see it. And it's beautiful. This is the front and this is the back. And very nice. And number 18.
So number 18 was a free gift because the dyeing process didn't go as expected. And it's a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter Malaysia jade round beads.
And they're stunning. I think they were trying to mimic this color and it came out lighter. But look how beautiful that is together. You can make it together and it looks stunning. Very, very nice. And I wanted to show you that you can make like simple combinations like this two together or you can do these. You might think they don't go together, and look how stunning and beautiful they look. They look different, and you can do it with every single one. Just try to put your bead together, and then you will have a vision of what you want to make. Thank you for watching.
If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications when we post a new video. Don't forget to check out our Etsy shop. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.